really like Hornby's new models fitted with the steam generator system, but I found that they work much more effectively at lower speeds. With this in mind, I decided to make a video of my Flying Scotsman model as it prefers to leave the shed area and take up its duties. The one drawback with Belgian turntables like mine is that they have a dead spot in the middle where they change polarity for DC locos. This means that there is a short period without power, so it takes time for the sound, and more especially the steam effect, to recover. As anyone who has seen my previous Flying Scotsman videos will know, this Loco was quite troublesome at first, but now we've got the teething trouble sorted out, it seems to have settled down into a really smooth running Loco. So the final step will be to fit the accessory pack plus the lamps and the crew to finish it off. As the Scotsman has a long journey ahead of it, it now heads back to the coaling tower for a full top-up before proceeding. And finally, she's away down to the station to take up her duties for the day.